Very good. First flight, Glimpses of India, chapter 2. Today we shall read the lesson Coorg. Just I am reading, listen carefully and remember. Coorg is coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. This is a coffee country famous for its spices. Spices means masalas. Chicken masala, meat masala, coffee masala. Different types. Coffees are different types of. This is famous for its coffee plantation. Madikeri, the district headquarters, is the only gateway to Coorg. The misty hills, lush forest and coffee plantation will cast a spell on you. It is a tourist spot. So, where is Coorg situated? This is the question. It may come. Midway between Mysore and coastal towns of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must drifted from the kingdom of God. God has actually sent it from heaven. Just you can feel when you reach Coorg. The land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. Land of rolling hills. Just you see, looking like rolling hills. The hills are rolling one after another, like that. Very beautiful scenery. Coorg, a Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforests. There are evergreen forests, always evergreen. That means always rainforests, spices and coffee plantation. Beautiful coffee plantations are there and spices are there. Evergreen rainforests cover 30% of this district. Rainforests cover 30% of the district. Very beautiful green scenery, full of oxygen, far from carbon dioxide, pollution free, environmental, green. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. But in monsoon, visitors cannot go there. The season of joy commences from September and continues to March. After rain, from September to March, visitors visit Coorg. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measure. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. Coffee smell is coming here. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. Canopies are there, just like tents, houses, small canopies. They live there under tree. The firstly independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. The people are from Greek or Arabic descent. Inherited. That is how detailing some Arabic people, they married local girls and settled. So the inheritors are Arabic, Greek or Arabic. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. Alexander, you might have seen the Alexander, famous warrior Alexander. His army when came here, they found no way to go back. So what? They settled here. They made this their residence. And they married the local girls. These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the marital traditions, marriage and religious rites. Their culture is whose? Alexander's army warriors, Greek and Arabics. Their marriage rites, functions, it is evident, it can be seen, which are distinct from Hindu mainstream. Hindu marriages and their marriages are different. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by Kodabus, known as Kuparla. Kupia. It resembles the Kufia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Arabs own the Kufia, it resembles the Kupia, just like that. Same, they looks like Arab, long coat. Arabs, Greeks, you might have seen Greek soldiers pictures. Just open your book, First Flight, it is there. Yesterday we had read the first lesson, Glimpses of India. Now we are reading the second lesson, A Baker from Goa. You are already completed. You can see the video in the playlist. Now you are reading this one. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel and comment. Give your comment and press the bell button so that you can get the notifications. And share with your friends. There is a red button, subscribe, so you will get all the topics you can cover. If you have any doubt, just comment. I will give the reply. Coorgi homes have a tradition of hospitality and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. They always tell the guests who go to their homes visitors there, how brave their forefathers were there. The Coorg Regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. The Coorg Regiment is famous. First Chief of Indian Army, General Cariappa, was Coorgi. General Cariappa first, you get this question. First Chief, Army Chief, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Even now, Kodavos are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without license. The Coorgi people, Kodavos, are allowed to carry firearms without a license. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Coorg. Kaveri river gets its water from the hills of this forest, Coorg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, around in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch. The fishes are there. Very good fish. Mahasir. While squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect on the clear water. Water is clear, but some squirrels, the drops of fruits, partial ripe fruits. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mouths. Mouths bath their elephants and scrub them. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of the high-energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling rock, climbing mountain. The people, individuals are the adventurous spirit. They climb the mountains. River rafting, canoeing. River raft means joined by trunks, boats, small boats. Biking. Numerous walking trails in the region are favorite with trekkers. Trekkers are there. You might have seen in the trekking film. On the snow they are trekking, just like a mountaineers climb. So trekkers, they love it. Birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. Full of birds, bees, butterflies, you will feel happy. Mucks, Malabar squirrels, language and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. From the tree, these animals are there. I do, however, prefer to step aside for a wild elephants. Some wild elephants are there, dangerous. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. Brahmagiri, if you climb the Brahmagiri hills, you can see full Coorg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargadaama. There is a rope bridge. Very carefully you have to go. You can see. Running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Baigalakop is a bonus. There is a Buddhist monk place. The monks in red, ochre and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India, right here in Coorg. Buddhist monks are there. They wear yellow robes, red robes. This is very beautiful. It's a beautiful story. Just tourist spot. Watch, read it. Glimpse of India means India's tourist spots. Beautiful. Read carefully. Next chapter we will read the third part. Then we will do the question answers. If you have any doubts, just give your comments. Share with your friends. Again, I am telling you, just subscribe it. Thank you.